Evoke emotional intelligence. Elevating emotional intelligence involves self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication. Understand your emotions and their impact on others. Practice active listening and express your feelings respectfully. Empathize with others' perspectives. Manage stress through mindfulness and seek constructive feedback. Remember, emotional intelligence is a skill that can be developed with practice.
Would you like to read it? 1, 2, 3, go! Great job! Every day a little bit, you will get better. See you in Trang's other interesting videos.